Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Quarter Studio. Welcome back. Actually, hope you guys are having a very wonderful time and a very wonderful day, guys. So today we are going to do another reaction to our queen, Diana Ankudinova, guys. Diana Ankudinova, our queen. So today we are going to be reacting to her song, one of her songs today, guys. But this particular one, I can't read the title seriously. It's in Russian, guys. So we're just going to react to the song that way, the way it is. So if this is actually your first time coming to my channel to watch Diana Ankudinova, you should know I've actually done a lot of reaction videos to Diana Ankudinova before, so you can actually check out my playlist to see more songs or more of the songs which you like, and any reaction which you like me to do, just comment down in the comment section and I'm going to do that particular reaction for you guys. So not to waste your time, let's move into the video right now and let's see what she has for us today, guys. So she's actually about starting right now. That was so wonderful, guys. That was really so wonderful. That's why Diana Ankudinova actually is our queen, because she's always so amazing when she's actually performing. That was really so dope, guys. She's really the queen of Russia when it comes to music, guys. Let me know what you think about this particular song in the comment section down below, guys. And in case you want me to do more, please, guys, continue liking, continue subscribing, and please continue supporting us, guys. Please do that, guys. Thanks very much. I hope you actually all stay safe, and happy Christmas, happy New Year to you all, guys. Thank you very much.